Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring Fisch'thy is ready and placed as your active operator. You want her electro-application consistent. Once done, switch to a ranged sub-DPS to trigger distant mechanisms while Fisch'thy marks enemies. Make sure you have stamina and healing items stocked. Approach the lighthouse entrance and look for the glowing interact prompt. Press the action button immediately to start the opening sequence and prevent automatic resets from nearby hazards. You now focus on the complex interior. Cast Fisch'thy's Oz to maintain constant electro coverage while you move to the first switch. This lets you activate distant mechanisms without exposing yourself. Once Oz is deployed, run the short routes to subsequent switches. Make sure to time your dodges so rotating arms or wind currents don't push you off stage. When multiple switches must be hit quickly, alternate characters, so you can stagger hits and prevent the gate from. You complete the sequence by activating the central switch while Fisch'thy's Oz holds enemy attention. This final press triggers the lighthouse to fully open. Once the light is raised, move in and grab rewards quickly because some encounters reset on a timer. If the mechanism fails or the gate reseals, try a quick reset. Leave the instance area entirely, wait a few seconds, and re-enter to clear pathing glitches. If issues persist, re-equip and retry the switch timing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.